them with wood wall. One of the great questions we get asked often is, why would you choose our product over some of the other competitors that are on the market, such as peel and stick solutions or Velcro solutions for installation? Our answer is a really simple one. We think our product's really beautiful because of the intricacies associated with the patterns that we offer. We think that in the long run, the designs of our products lend themselves to being something that are timeless, something that will last for a period of time much longer than any of the other products that just seem to fit the trend of the day. Love to have you come over to the website, take a look at what we have to offer. Thanks for listening.